Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're well. My name is Mary. I do content on fitness, healthy meals and lifestyle. Today we are going on a trip. We are going for camping at Hell's Gate, and here we are at my Mahiu viewpoint, relaxing and having a good view of the mountains, of the landscape. It is a very fulfilling view. It's beautiful over here. We decided to relax a little bit before heading to Hell's Gate. Now let's go. Let's go to Hell's Gate and camp with us. I'm currently 7 months pregnant. I'm camping with hubby and my baby who is 4 years old. Let's get there. We are almost at the gate heading to the park, but before we get there, we stopped by to hire a community guide and also rent a tent. So if you don't have a tent, you can get it from them and hire a guide from here to show you through the park, because you can get lost there. To avoid getting lost, hire a guide. Then at the gate you'll need to pay fees to be allowed to enter the park. Then you have to specify whether you want to go camping, to the spa, or you just want to go have a tour in the park. Picha hapa hii kitu niliona ikiwa smart. Ona zimesimama zinatuangalia. Na buka zinakuwa na fujo.
Moja ndio mbaya. Ile kama ile.
Moja.
Kama ile, unaona ile inatembea pale, ile imeangalia huko. Ile tuangalia sana hii ingine hapa ile.
This is a chuma. This is firewood. Yes, firewood. Yenye tutapika nayo usiku. Haya, sawa. Wacha tuondoe gari sasa. Yeah. Another fireplace here. Come and see. We have another fireplace here. That is for making fire at night. Come and show you. Yeah, this place is for resting. Come and see. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it? It's very beautiful, cool, a good place to relax. Relaxing in the forest. Yes. Isn't it relaxing? Umeona house yetu? I've never been to camping again. This is my first time and I'm loving it. It is exciting. But anyway, I'm scared if those animals will come here while we are sleeping. Yes. Oh, sorry. Okay. Camping with the toddler. How old are you? 4 years. How old are you?
4 years.
Yeah, you're 4 years old.
4 years.
And today we are sleeping here with buffaloes, with what else? No, atulali nayo. Italala pale. Si unaziona pale? Yeah. Italala hapo. And the giraffes? Giraffes zishalala. Have you seen the giraffes? Eh? Sijapita. Hujaiona ikipita? Hujaiona 3 giraffes zenye zimepita? Yeah. In Hell's Gate. I don't know why they called it Hell's Gate. Yes.
animals.
No animals.
Statement, no animals.
There's no animals outside. We can get out.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
And make fire and take our breakfast. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hello guys, camping is over and now we are going to the spa. Let's go to the spa park together. Here we are, we have parked. We are in this camp all alone. All alone.
Send me